Do you have any other egg tips?
Do I have any other egg tips, girl? Buckle in. And action. Hey, I'm Megan and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite breakfast dishes, soft scrambled eggs. They're creamy and light and fluffy and not rubbery, and they're the best eggs, and they're so easy to make. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. Before I get started, please like, comment, subscribe, tell me your favorite egg dishes, and once you subscribe, it'll alert you when there's a new prep school video. Then you get to look at this face. You lucky, lucky people. I'm sorry. All right, let's start on my soft scrambled eggs. It's very few ingredients. It's ghee, which is clarified butter, eggs, and then salt. So you wanna make sure that the eggs you use are really good eggs. My personal favorite are these Vital Farms pasture raised eggs. The yolks are like bright orange, it's crazy. And I like to think that the chickens are happy. So I need 5 eggs. If you wanna make sure you don't get any shell in your eggs, I like to crack it on the side and then crack it over the bowl. And if you do happen to get a little piece in and you're fishing around, use the shell itself, and the piece of the shell in the bowl is drawn to the little egg cup shell. Does that make sense? It's easier to fish out than if you use your finger or fork. My tips about eggs. Another important part, you wanna obviously make sure your eggs are really good, but the whisking. I use a fork, you can use a small whisk, but you really, really wanna whisk up these eggs, because you know when sometimes you get like a scramble or a soft scramble and you see little white bits and you see little yellow bits, it's because you didn't properly whisk it. So just really get in there and use that wrist and whisk for maybe longer than you would think. I don't want you to cut any of this. I just want 3 minutes of me scrambling eggs. Okay, great. I also used to add milk and cream when I would make scrambled eggs growing up, and I found it's not necessary. You don't need to do it. It's more in the technique of cooking it low and slow with the ghee, and they're legit the creamiest eggs, and there's no cream in them. Just 2 more minutes. No, I'm just kidding. I think this looks ready. Okay, I'm gonna take this to the stove, and I'll show you how to cook it up. Hey, good to see you. Thanks for coming over to the stove with me. What you'll need is a non-stick skillet, and I'm making this for 2. If you're wondering, I don't eat 5 eggs every morning. Good. Maybe I could. And bring it up to heat over, like between medium and low. I always just put mine on low, and then I whisk my eggs and I keep an eye on it, and then I adjust. This is a heat adjust, not too hot. So low, let this heat up for a little bit. And I'm using Thrive Market's unsalted ghee, about a tablespoon or so. My ghee has melted, so I'm gonna add in my eggs. Let's go. And you'll know that it's ready to push the eggs in when the side, it turns a lighter yellow. You just wanna carefully fold it in and push it in, and go in, and go in, like this. And this whole process will take 3 to 4 minutes, low and slow. And the low, slow process is how you ensure your eggs are light and fluffy and not rubbery. I don't want any color on them. I don't want any browning. And when they look like they're almost done, when you're like, ooh, this is like 5 more seconds, 10 more seconds, I turn off the heat and I let the residual heat from the pan finish the cooking. Okay, yep. Okay, those are done. All right, let's plate it up. My eggs are ready. I'm gonna chop up some chives. I know they're called chives, but this guy I know may have married them. I don't know. Well, I'm still waiting to see if that's legal. Sent him to the grocery store. I asked for chives. And he calls me and he's like, I don't know where this is. Where do I find this? And then I can be like, excuse me, ma'am, where would I find the chives? And I'm like, oh boy. They're called chives, baby. They're called chives. So forever I call them chives. All right, I'm gonna finely mince my chives. This is optional. I'm gonna plate this all up at one time because I think it's pretty, and maybe I'm gonna start eating 5 eggs in the morning. Carefully bring it out. I'm gonna sprinkle this with chives, and then I'm also using flaked sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. If you don't have flaked sea salt, you could use pink Himalayan, you could use kosher salt. I just like the big crystals from the flaked sea salt when I bite into it. I'm like, All right, and that's how easy it is to make my soft scrambled eggs. Now that I'm looking at this portion, I'm not mad that it's 5 eggs. Like, I don't think that it looks like too much. They're so creamy. They're so creamy. And they're light and they're fluffy. They're just really good, man. I want you to make these. Please let me know if you do. Comment, like, subscribe. You can find all of the products that I used today at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy cooking. This is live, guys. You know, we're taking the veil, lifting it from cooking videos. Me, my, me, moo, me.